everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We have finally learned the secret about Banyana Bako Joburg, Jos Maboneng. Apparently they've been lying about their lavish Johannesburg lifestyle. They entered the saloon competition with a hope to win the prize so that they can maintain the life they've been lying about, but unfortunately the other girls brought their A game. They left Johannesburg because things were not going well for them. GC and Thobile will steal money at the function while everyone is busy with the competition. Pila GC and Thobile Banalematata are serious. They are in debt. Even the petrol money to come to KwaMashu was borrowed. They are owing a lot of people, including the loan sharks, back in Johannesburg. The truth is, KwaMashu is full of crooks, and it won't be long before someone starts sniffing around and realize what the pair got themselves into. The big question is whether they will be able to buy their way out on trouble, or they will face the long army of the law. Guys, finally the truth comes out. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Till we meet again, I love you so much guys. Bye.